Welcome. If you have been experiencing spiritual chills on your journey, then this video is for you. Spiritual chills defines when you get goosebumps from positive outside or internal stimuli, which could be memories, compliments, inspiring music, movies, a loved one, time with friends, praying, praising God, meditation, receiving a confirmation, feeling motivated to strive, gratefulness, and most importantly, feel a cold or hot, euphoric / blissful wave flowing underneath your skin. This euphoric wave can be learned to be brought up on demand consciously for long durations without the physical reaction of goosebumps and can give one the ability to do incredible feats with it. This video will be about why does it come from a specific location and out of control where does it occur.
Here is the why, but first, let's look at a little background knowledge of this occurrence.
Experiencing spiritual chills is known as pranic energy in the yogi culture,
And more specifically, is only a branch from the Vayu system.
Vayus is the Sanskrit word that translates as wind, and the root of that word va translates to that which flows.
Now,
This system is divided into 5 different types of energetic flow where prana is one of them. The others are called apana, samana, vyana, and udana. They are divided this way because it is believed that this flow of energy can be activated to move from or into 5 specific parts of our body. This activation will depend on a list of reasons, which some are normal bodily functions. For example, breathing. This can be done in a way that permits you to feel your spiritual energy come into your breathing areas and into your torso. Or another example, sweating. This can be observed to release your spiritual energy from the core of your body all the way to its extremities,
eventually causing you to sweat and on a spiritual level, having your energy creating or joining an auric field surrounding your body. So, to summarize, you will feel this energy come up naturally in certain parts of your body because most of your bodily functions are subtly tied to it. Whether through smiling, frowning, crying, breathing, and whatever you are thinking, doing, or the way you perceive situations in your daily life will automatically activate it in certain parts of your body. This explains why it is at times present in specific parts. Now let's talk about how to control where it comes from.
One effortless way to control where you feel it is simply thanks to your attention. So let's say you are getting spiritual chills from a specific location and you truly allow it to be activated. If you switch your attention from wherever it is being felt to another area of your body, you will naturally feel it flowing gradually to that area.
So your attention and intent to feel it somewhere is crucial. The method to have it come up from specific areas is why I recommend researching the Vayu system, as it will allow you to understand how you can, for example, with every one of your exhales, activate your spiritual chills. All thanks to the fact that for the energy to come from this action, you need to know which area of your body it appears from and which energetic path it will then follow. Finally, when having understood this, you will have the opportunity to activate one area at a time, reconnecting all your pathways until they all get cleared and activated. That will then allow you to experience your spiritual energy everywhere or in just parts of your body. I've left links in the comment section with accurate sources on the 5 types of Vayus.
Thank you for watching this video and tune in next week for videos going more in depth on what you can do, how to strengthen it, how to feel it, and much more on spiritual chills.